Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, we'll be upgrading or replacing your RAM in your Durabook S14i semi-rugged laptop. This is one of the newer models from the Durabook line that we offer on the website. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over and remove the battery and the SSD drive. Both batteries were removed. So to remove the SSD drive, you want to push down this lever here, and then you can pull it right out. Now to remove the rear cover, it's just 3 screws, and then you can pry it open. And that'll give you access to your memory or RAM sticks. And now you want to remove or add. There's nothing wrong with this one, so I'll just put that right back. You just want to make sure the rear cover is put back on correctly. You can now put the SSD back, and you're all done. Any questions or comments you can leave below. Thank you for watching.